welcome back to the channel. January 13th of the Less is Now Minimalism Challenge. And we found more stuff to get rid of in our house. I collect Unicorno, Mermicorno figures from the Tokidoki company. And these are my doubles. So I have this one, this one, this one, and this one. I put them up for sale and I have someone coming to pick them up. So there's 4 items. We have it's supposed to be a plastic sealer, like you put batteries and you put your plastic bag or whatever and it seals your bag. I got it for my soap endeavors, but it showed up months and months later, so I never used it, so I'm getting rid of it. We have some mint flavored Tic Tacs that nobody likes really, so those are going. We found a Rogue Christmas card lying around. I thought I had already cleaned up of Christmas. We have a metal container that's supposed to hold your seeds for the garden, and I bought it because I thought it would be great for my seeds, and it does work. Just the problem is I have way too many seeds, so it doesn't fit. It won't fit them all. The next I have is, this is a organic cotton milk nut bag, or a nut milk bag, and I use this one so much. I used it for more than a year. And it's a thicker material, and I have another one that's a thinner material that works better. So I'm gonna get rid of that one. Okay. The son decided to get rid of his little mini globe. So that's going. I'm giving away the world. It's official. The world is going. So what else? He also went through his room and found this thing he made in school. It's like a 3-headed cat on a stick on a piece of wood. So that is going to find a new home. So how many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 12 is a mouse pad. It has the gel here. I bought it because I was doing working from home, but thank you virus. Unfortunately, I lost my job. So this is going. And the 13th thing is this super long, thin piece of metal that was used to put in like the doorway to cover your flooring. We recently remodeled the floor, so we don't need the piece of metal. We changed it to wood. So this is going. So this is our 13 items for January 13th. See you tomorrow for more.